I have beautiful friends, Giselle. Giselle, how are you, Giselle? Kumusta ka, Giselle?
It's okay.
So, Giselle, you are from Dumaguete, right? So, Giselle, how old are you, Giselle?
I'm 6 years old.
So, are you studying or you're working?
I'm working.
So what is your work, Giselle?
Sa, kuan, workers home.
Like housemaid?
Housemaid.
Okay, so Giselle, how much your salary every month?
40.
40? It's very cheap, right? Because here now, the salary in housemaid is 6,000 a month. What is your work, Giselle? Same trabaho.
Kuan,
Kanang manglimpyo?
yes.
He said that is washing clothes, cleaning at the house. You're cooking. So what kind of food you're cooking every day?
Rice and like vegetable and
So your boss is Filipino?
yes.
So how many people inside the house? Pila siya ka po?
4.
4 people. But
Yes.
your salary is very cheap. 4,000. So how many months you're working there? Pila nakakabulan?
1 year. 1 year na.
1 year? Oh, you're very long time working. So your salary is not like his 6,000 only.
Yes.
And then what happened? You survived the 4,000? It's okay with you 4,000? Your work is so very easy with you?
Yes.
And then you have already boyfriend? You don't looking for foreigner boyfriend? Because I have introducing with you. Yeah, Giselle is very skinny. It's Morena. So Giselle, you're living at Kadawinunan. Kadawinunan? What is your province? Tagasa yung probinsya?
Santa Rosario Heights.
Santa Rosario Heights, okay. Your home. And then you're working at a housemaid. So but it's very cheaper, your salary is 4,000. And then after your salary, what is your buying 4,000? Because now the prices is very high prices. 1,000 is very small you're buying. It's okay with you? Then I ask with you, your finish high school?
No.
You don't finish high school.
Yes.
What is your elementary graduate? Okay. And then why don't stop to schooling for high school? Nun yundang ka?
Kuan.
It's very far your
Yes.
school. So what is your province before? Sa yung probinsya sa una?
Saan, Kuan, Mabinay.
You are from Mabinay? What barangay in Mabinay?
Dahil.
So very far.
Yes.
So you decide to work as a helper here. You're staying or stay out? You're stay out. Okay. And then you don't planning to going to Manila because Manila is very highest the salary. Wala kay plano man to Manila? Because it's very far, right? So it's better here because it's easy to going to visiting your family. But your family in Mabinay? So how many days, how many months you're visiting your family? Pila ka kabulan sa kamo? Every month or every 2 months. But in Mabinay is very far, right? But over there, there's a lot of planting of sugar cane. Daghan mo tubo? We don't have your sugar cane. What is your planting in your barangay? Sa inyong mga tanong.
Like,
Banana,
or
rice,
rice.
and then dada diri ora magana. Ora magagak. Ora ka ay lako. Yeah. Today is your day off.
Yes.
Your day off today? Oh, it's not your day off every Sunday?
Depends kung wala ka.
It's depend. By the way, what is your job, your boss? Office?
Yes.
So I think because you're very cheaper salary 4,000. Then the rice is how much per kilo now? 60 per kilo, right? And then if you're going to your father, so how many kilos you're buying? 4,000, right? But now it's so very expensive here in the Philippines. But only here, right? Because in foreigners, right? Only the Filipino is very expensive. It's not easy to get work here. It's very hard. The salary is so very cheap. So what is your planning today? Ano sa yung plano karon? Your day off? You're going to, because Dapli Plaza is already closed. I think a lot of people to go in Robinson, right? Giselle is very kind. Yeah. So how many years your boyfriend relationship together?
1 year and 2 years na.
It's a long time. And then you don't decide to get married? Why? Wala pa kas plano? You're very I gonna turn the kids. Okay. And then your live-in partner, this is your father and your kids. Okay, good. Okay. And then now you back to work later, or every day you're always working, right? Who's caretaker your kids? Ikaw? And kung matrabaho ka, if you're going to work, how's your caretaker your kids?
Naroon yan po.
Yan papa. But I'm so worried that because your salary is very cheaper, is enough with you. That's because how you buy the milk, if you buying the milk